Hi guys, this is Mrs. Scales. This is our math test. Please feel free to pause the video, replay any parts, or skip forward to a problem you would like read to you. Number 1, Debbie solved the linear equation 3 times x plus 4 minus 2 equals 16 as follows. She made an error between lines 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, or 4 and 5. Here's her work. Line 1, 3 times x plus 4 minus 2 equals 16. 3 times x plus 4 equals 18. 3 times x plus 4 equals 18. 3 times x equals 14. X equals 4 2/3. In which line did she make an error? Number 2, which of the following terms could be combined with negative 4y? 5, 3y, 4x, or negative 5? Number 3, if x represents a number, which equation is a correct translation of 60 more than 9 times the number is 375? So 60 more than 9 times the number is 375. Number 4, what is the value of x in the equation? 2x minus 5 minus 6x plus 6 equals 25. What is the value of x? Number 5, the first step in solving the equation 3x minus 8 equals 12, and the appropriate justification for this first step is which of the following? Is the first step to add 8 to both sides, which is the addition property of equality? Is the first step to add 8 to both sides, which is the commutative property? Is the third step divide both sides by 3, or the first step divide both sides by 3, and that's the division property of equality, or the number 4, divide both sides by 3, which is the commutative property? The first step in solving the problem. What do you do, and what's the justification? Number 6. On February 18th, from 9 a.m. until 2 p.m., the temperature rose from negative 14 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. Sketch a picture of a thermometer. Label the given temperatures, and use your diagram to determine the total increase in temperature during this period. Number 1, you need to sketch a picture of the thermometer, label the temperatures, and then determine the total increase which the temperature rose from negative 14 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. There's multiple steps to that problem. Number 7, which number is an irrational number? Irrational number. Number 8, when solving the equation 4 times x plus 2 equals 28, Becca wrote 4x plus 8 equals 28. Which property did she use? Distributive, associative, commutative, or identity. Number 9, which of the following solutions makes the following equation true? The equation is 2/3 x plus 6 equals negative 2. Which one of these solutions makes that equation true? 10, which of the following correctly represents the expression negative 3 times 2x minus 5 after the distributive property was performed? So the expression is negative 3 times 2x minus 5. After you perform the distributive property, what is the next step? 11, solve for x. 6 times x minus 11 equals 15 minus 4x. Number 12, also solve for x. 3 plus 2x equals 5x minus 9. 13 and 14, translate the following verbal sentence into a math equation and solve for the described number. Include let statements for each question. 13. 13 less than the product of 4 and a number is equal to 15. Find the number. 13 less than the product of 4 and a number is equal to 15. Remember your let statement. 14. The difference of 8 times a number and 3 times the same number is equal to twice the same number increased by 12. The difference of 8 times a number and 3 times the same number is equal to twice the same number increased by 12. Don't forget your let statement. 15. Solve the following equation for a number x. Check your solution. So this side, they want you to solve for x. Remember your let statement. Negative 15 equals 8x plus 1. Remember to check it. Last page. For questions 16 and 17, solve for x. They want you to solve for x. We have 4 over 2x minus 7 is equal to 5 over 3x plus 8. 17. Negative 3x minus 6 over 6 equal to 8. Solve for x. 18. Solve for the equation below for d. 0.2 times d minus 6 is equal to 0.3d plus 5 minus 3 plus 0.1d. Solve for d. Last one, number 19. Jenna is designing a vegetable garden in her backyard. Her husband, who is a math teacher, asked her to design one according to the diagram below, where the width is 5 feet and the length is equal to 3 less than 4 times x. So the width is 5 feet and the length is equal to 3 less than 4 times x. A. Write an expression to represent the area of the garden. All they want here for A is the expression to find the area of the garden. B, if the area of the garden that Gina designs is 105 square feet, what is the value of x? So if the area is 105 feet, what is the value of x? Use your expression to figure it out. Okay, good luck.